Welcome back to another episode of the WhatsApp series. Today we're diving deep to understand how offshore microwave links work, the technology that keeps platforms, vessels, and offshore installations connected to the world. Whether you're an engineer, technician, or just curious about how data travels over the ocean, this video will give you a clear understanding. Connectivity is essential in the oil and gas industry, where the remote location of oil rigs and wellheads make it challenging to establish reliable and secure communication networks. Engineers onshore and offshore need to transmit data and communicate with one another, monitor security, and control operations in real time. So, what exactly is an offshore microwave link? In simple terms, it's a point-to-point wireless communication system that uses high-frequency radio waves. Offshore microwave links operate in the frequency range of 1 to 300 GHz and require a clear line of sight between the two endpoints. Offshore laying fiber optic cables can be extremely expensive due to depth and distance. That's where offshore microwave links come in. They provide a line of sight connection between two points, often spanning tens of kilometers over open water. The key components include a gyrostabilized system, dish antennas, microwave radios, and mounting structures that can withstand harsh marine conditions. What are exactly the pros of offshore microwave links? High bandwidth. Microwave links can support high-speed data transmission, making them ideal for transmitting large volumes of data quickly. Low latency. Microwave links provide low latency connections, which is crucial for real-time communication and remote control. Easy to install and maintain. Microwave links are relatively easy to install and maintain compared to other forms of connectivity. How do offshore microwave links work? Microwave signals travel in straight lines, which means they rely on unobstructed line of sight. Any obstacle, even ships or heavy rain, can attenuate the signal. To achieve a clear Fresnel zone, a tall antenna tower is required. However, this becomes challenging in offshore structures where installing high antenna towers is often impractical. The signal is transmitted by a microwave radio, which converts electrical signals into high-frequency radio waves. These waves are then focused and directed to the parabolic antenna. At the receiving end, another radio and antenna convert the waves back into data. The frequency and bandwidth of the link determine data rate, distance, and resistance to interference. It's not so simple as you think. Operating microwave links offshore isn't as simple as pointing antennas at each other. There are several challenges. Weather attenuation. Rain, fog, and sea spray can weaken the signal, especially at higher frequencies. Platform movement. Platforms and floating structures can tilt or sway, so microwave antennas often include auto-tracking or stabilization systems to maintain alignment. Multipath interference. Signals can reflect off water surface, causing interferences. Engineers use antenna polarization or directional tuning to mitigate this. Power and redundancy. Unlike land-based systems, offshore installations rely on generators and backup power. Redundant microwave parts are often installed to ensure connectivity even if one link fails. All components must be rugged and certified for offshore standards such as DNVGL or ABS, ensuring safety and reliability in harsh conditions. What does it support in reality? Microwave links aren't just for internet browsing. They support SCADA systems for monitoring production and pipelines, voice and VoIP communications for crews and officers, video surveillances for security and safety, remote support for engineers troubleshooting equipment from shore. So next time you think about offshore connectivity, remember the invisible microwave highways carrying critical data across oceans. And this brings us to an end of this episode. Stay tuned for more insights into offshore engineering and telecom systems. Like always, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who might need it.